This is a 4-ton knuckle boom truck crane, whose unique 9.4 m boom length not only gives it a wide operating space, but also makes it easy to operate in the complex and changing operating environment. Adopting advanced 4-link design, it shows high stability in the process of using. The unique hexagonal boom design enhances the structural strength and bending resistance of the boom. In terms of operation, this truck-mounted crane is easy to operate. Even the first-time users can quickly get started. This 4-ton knuckle boom truck crane, which combines high efficiency, stability, and flexibility, is undoubtedly a powerful tool in modern engineering work.